Okay, cool, new band list. Finally, Konami. Okay, let's check this thing out. Cyberstein, gone. Cool, cool, cool. Um, Scarecrow, gone. Cool. Diablos, ooh, gone. Hooray. I can get an extra slot in my extra deck. Cool. Um, Point of Red Lotus, gone. Brand Explosion, gone, but we already have its substitution. Um, Dragon Ruler, Blaster, back to 1. Really? They didn't get the others? Man. Circular, down to 1. Gamma, down to 1. Useless now. Oh, look! We have the Dang Long, first of the Yang Zing. Um, uh, oh, Cashier Rizard. I can extra sub my extra deck. I didn't play purely, so Delicious Memory means nothing to me. Sacred Tree, like, really? Sacred Tree is gone? Alright, semi-limited. It's funny, Sovereignty hasn't been on here yet, but that's probably in the unlimited section. Um, Orange Light and Engage back to down to semi-limited from limited, and Castura Unicorn, Lightning Storm, Runic Fountain, and Sprite Starter, all from 3 to 2. And where'd Link Monster? Where'd my Link Monster be? I should just keep reading. Steam the Cloak, Ally, uh, Ally Birdman, Lotus, Quick Fix, Starling, Draco Face Off, and Multi Roll, all back to 3. Wait, no. No, this can't be. This cannot be. No. Come on, Konami! Again? We need. What? Just give us back Sovereignty already. We. Why? Just. Just why?